The Graphic Communications program is a 1-year or 8-month term of study, and students will graduate with a certificate. Well, we're a print-based training program. We teach print production, we teach graphic design, we teach typography, we teach use of the applications such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, the Adobe Creative Suite overall, how to use fonts, but we also delve into the digital side of design, which includes web design, social media design, and again, we do focus on the production side of art. There's a lot of opportunity for our graduates in this marketplace. Print shops, print production facilities, graphic design firms, ad agencies, marketing firms. There are really thousands of different places they can get jobs. Our program we're a cohort program, so students go through taking essentially the same classes, a little bit of variation in schedule, but pretty much at the same time. And the really neat thing about that is they get the sense of community, they're able to network, they build lifelong friendships, and students are not a number to the instructors. We really do get to know our students. If you come to NAIT, you're going to be trained in the skills that are current and that ultimately will get you a job.